The sanding pad both holds the sandpaper and provides a flat surface for sanding. This pad uses hook and loop paper and has holes to work with dust collection. Over time, the pad will wear out. It will become nicked around the edge if it is struck against something while sanding. The hook and loop surface will wear away and no longer hold the paper. The hook and loop will wear away much faster if pressure is applied to the sander while it is used. Replacing the sanding pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before performing any repairs on your sander, make sure that it's unplugged. I'll begin by removing the old pad. It's secured with 3 screws. I'll remove the screws from the pad. And now I can install the new pad. There's a spacer that will need to be transferred over to the new pad. I'll align the spacer with the screw holes and then place the screws through the holes in the pad. Now I'll align the screws with the holes in the hub. I'll use a screwdriver to start the screws so I don't accidentally cross-thread them. And then I can finish up with the impact driver. And that's how easy it is to install a new hook and loop pad on your sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.